What up, though? I'm gonna do a quick video on how I run a call, a roadside call. Dispatchers dispatch out a call to me. I get everything in a text message or app, and I'll show y'all how much I get paid per call. How much y'all get paid in a couple days, and I'm about to go unlock somebody's door right now. Most of my calls to unlock doors, it's like $17, sometimes $75. Sometimes I got my own personal customers, which is $40. Sometimes my fault. I zoned out for a minute. So hell yeah, this shit brings in good money if you are consistent and do it full time. So I get paid weekly. So I'll be back when I arrive to my call. I'm supposed to be there in about 15 minutes. I don't like everything I get is like within like 10 miles. You know what I'm saying? East, north, west, south. I pick and choose where I want to go, which ones I want to do, and pretty much I got an area that I stick in. I got a zone that I stay in, and when I accept a call, it's gonna be somewhere that's like close by. It ain't like Uber and Lyft where I got to go pick somebody up and then drive them somewhere else. All I gotta do is get to where you at, help you out. 5 minutes or less of my time is all I need to spend there, and then I'm out. I'm on to the next one. So I rack up like $17, $18, $20, $25, $29. I rack up all this different money transactions every shit. Like I could knock out 2 or 3 of them in an hour. So you just keep doing that all day, and it'll add up. And at the end of the week, you'll have your nice ass paycheck. Shit, you could make about $1,000 a week or more if you hustle right. If you get your motherfucking hustle on the right way, shit, you could flip that shit into other shit. You could add in little stuff on the side. You know what I mean? But that's everybody ain't got to do that. You could just do the call and that's it. So I'll holler back in a minute. Bam. I'm back. Nah. I was looking for a red Focus. Bam, what you see right there. Trying to get money. I'll be back. Well, I'm back. Just that fast. Got in the car in like maybe 5 seconds, and that quick. That's how you make 17, 18, 20, 40, 75, whatever the payment is, in 5 seconds. You do that shit all day long and rack them up, you have a nice paycheck every week. Holla at your boy. I'm out.